Hello guys. Welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download WhatsApp on your computer and how to connect your phone WhatsApp to your computer. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Now the first thing you need to do is making sure your laptop is connected to the internet. Then open your web browser. In my case, I'm using Chrome. Open your web browser and search for WhatsApp Web. Click on the first result that comes out. Click on the three dots at the right top corner on your laptop. Click on More Tools. Click on Create Shortcut. Click on this box here, Open as Window. Click on Create. Now, if you check your desktop, you'll notice that you have your WhatsApp already on your laptop. Open WhatsApp on your smartphone. Go to Settings. Click on Link Devices, click on Link Device. Make sure you scan the code that appears on your laptop with your phone camera. As soon as you scan the code, WhatsApp will automatically appear on your laptop. Now as you can see, my WhatsApp is logged on my laptop and I can do anything I want to do on phone with my laptop. View status, I can go to settings and do any changes I want on my computer. So guys, this is a very easy way to connect your phone WhatsApp to your laptop. Thank you so much guys. Be sure to watch other related videos on this channel, like and subscribe too. Thank you.